So in 1903, the Wright brothers flew the Flyer 1 120 feet in about 12 seconds. It took 6 years for them to convince the world that aviation would be more than just a curiosity. If you take a close look at the airplane, there's a canoe strapped to the bottom. Wilbur Wright was confident, okay, but he was not arrogant. In 1927, Charles Lindbergh flew the Spirit of St. Louis solo from New York all the way to Paris. So this showed the world that aviation was going to have global significance. By 1929, KLM had set up regularly scheduled passenger air service from Amsterdam to what is now Jakarta, Indonesia. It is a long way from Amsterdam to Indonesia. Fast forward to 2008. Randall Fishman publicly demonstrated the Electroflyer C at the EAA's AirVenture convention in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Now, normally, when a small airplane like this takes off, it sounds like a flying chainsaw. When this battery-powered airplane took off, you could have heard a pin drop. No noise at all. People were stunned. Now, this airplane could fly for about 45 minutes at 70 miles per hour. By June of 2011, this particular airplane broke the electric speed record. It could fly 176 miles per hour. Now, it could only fly for about 15 minutes, but it was a very exciting 15 minutes. Okay? So, by June of 2011, people have demonstrated the feasibility of electric flight. But have we shown its practicality yet? Have we had the Lindbergh moment for electric airplanes? In September of 2011, 4 teams gathered in Santa Rosa, California for the Green Flight Challenge. 2 of the teams showed up with electric-powered airplanes. In the foreground, there's the E-Genius, and in the background, the Taurus G4, pipistrellusa.com. Now, at this competition, the G4 flew 195 miles at 107 miles per hour at this unprecedented fuel efficiency of 403 passenger miles per gallon. This was unbelievable progress. Okay, so these 2 airplanes, the G4 and the E-Genius, showed that not only is electricity practical for flying these small airplanes, it's in fact beautiful. When these airplanes fly overhead, you cannot hear them because there's no piston engine noise to hear. Okay? At the Green Flight Challenge, the power to charge the batteries came from a geothermal power plant, so there was no emissions at all. This was the Lindbergh moment for electrically powered airplanes. So if this was the Lindbergh moment, what's coming up next? Well, over the next couple of years, we're going to see airplanes like this. Okay? This is a modified ultralight to fly electric. What you're seeing is essentially an electrically powered flying jet ski. Okay? 5 to 7 years from now, we're going to see airplanes like this. This is an electrically powered general aviation airplane. It'll fly 300 miles for about $7 worth of electricity. Okay? 300 miles in a regular airplane now is going to cost you about $70 to $100 of aviation-grade gasoline. This is a huge improvement. The big manufacturers are also working on electrically powered airplanes for entry into service about 25, maybe 30 years from now. This is going to be enormous. So all of us in aviation are really excited about what's going to happen with electrically powered flight. Okay? We are seeing the birth of what's going to be green air travel and also affordable and green personal air travel. Okay, thanks very much.